I could probably just dial down that list. It's ice cold and just be like, hey, I can be your guy if you have any questions about group medical, commercial insurance.
100%. And although you're not the biggest player in the space, you can sound like the biggest person at your company. I'm going to say that again because it's important for everybody to realize. Okay, he's not the biggest. His company that he works for is not the biggest player. Who cares? It's almost better. Okay. He can sound like the biggest person. So as you're calling to raise your hand, make sure you're using words like, hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. But just by saying I wanted to reach out to you personally sounds like a very high level person at the company was like, man, is that, who's this Matt Easton guy? You know, I'll give him a call. Hey, Matt, this is Peter over here at XYZ. Hey, wanted to reach out to you. Was thinking about you today. Wanted to reach out to you personally. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Hey, there is something going on that every new broker's having to deal with. I just want to make sure you are aware of it, right? We're starting the conversation at a very high level. Make sure that we're using words like, I wanted to reach out to you personally, like my people. Only a person with a high degree of authority, credibility would say, my people. Hey, wanted to make sure my people, anything you need from me or my people, deal me in, right? I live and breathe this stuff. I'm embarrassed to say. And by the way, I'm not an advocate of lying. My wife does tell me, guys, sidebar, my wife is always like, you need to get some friends. I've made $1 million off of her busting my chops on that because I literally say that because it's not a lie. She says you need to get friends. I'm like, my wife says I need to get friends. I live and breathe this stuff. Anything you need, deal me in, right? I'm embarrassed to say I like talking about it, and in your case, talking about insurance or whatever it is, it doesn't go over well at parties, but if you've got something, you want to bounce an idea off of somebody, it's literally all I think about all the time. I'm on my mobile, 72066, and they're like, that's compelling. And then I'm like, man, you know what? Let's bounce that idea off that Peter guy. And by the way, their own rep at their own companies, not even calling them and saying that. Their own rep is just like, hey, we got a new blah, blah, blah. I'd love to sell it to you. Would love to pick your brain, right? If you're the one person coming in and getting their attention that way, you'll do really, really well. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.